This is a video tutorial on structure within a structure in C++. In this video tutorial, we will discuss about how to use a structure within another structure. The concept of structure within another structure or structure contains another structure is also called as nested structure. For example, if you want to include a structure address inside another structure employee, first you have to define the structure address before the structure employee. Then you have to create an object of the structure address inside the employee structure. Then the syntax for including a structure within another structure we will see in the next slide. This is the syntax for including a structure within another structure. In this syntax you can see that if you want to include a structure 1 inside another structure 2, first you have to define the structure 1 before the structure 2. So you can see that structure 1 is the first part of this syntax, that is you have to define the structure 1 before the structure 2. Then inside the structure 2 you have to create an object for structure 1. So here you can see that inside structure 2 we have created a structure object obj. The syntax is structure1 obj. So this is the syntax for including a structure within another structure. This is an example of a nested structure or structure within another structure. In this example you can see that an employee structure contains another structure address. So for including address structure inside employee structure, you have to define the structure address before the employee structure. The syntax is struct address. Inside the address structure, we can declare the variables. Here we have three variables: house number, city, and pin code. Then inside employee structure, we have three variables: ID, name, and salary. Then for including address structure inside employee structure, you have to create object of structure address inside the employee structure. The syntax is struct address add. Add is the object of structure address. So inside the main function, I have created an object for employee structure. The syntax is employee e is the name of the employee structure, object of employee structure. Then the user is asked to enter the details like employee ID that can be accepted by using e.id, because employee ID is a member of employee structure that can be accessed by using e.id, the object of employee, that is e.id. Then employee name is also a member of employee structure that can be accessed by using e.name. Then the employee salary is a member of employee structure that can be accessed by using e.salary. Then the employee house number is a member of address structure. For accessing any members of address structure, you have to access it by using object of address structure along with object of employee structure. Syntax is e.and.house number. So E is the object of employee structure, then add is the object of address structure. You have to use the object of address structure along with the employee structure. Then the member is house number for accessing the same. Then the user is asked to enter the details of employee city. The city is also a member of address structure. For accessing city or reading it, you have to use e.r.city. Then the user is asked to enter the details of pin code. Pin code is also a member of address structure. For accessing the same, you have to use it like e.r.pin code. Then for displaying the details of employees, you can display the details of employee ID by using e.id. Then employee name by using e dot name, then employee salary by using e dot salary, then the details like house number can be displayed by using e dot r dot house number because it is a member of under structure. So you have to use it like e dot r dot house number. Then for accessing the city or displaying the city, you have to use it like e dot r dot city. For displaying the pin code, you have to use it like e dot r dot pin code. The output of this program you can see in the next slide. Here you can see that the output of the above program. First, user is asked to enter the details like employee ID, employee name, and employee salary. All these are accessed by using e.id, e.name, and e.salary. Then the user is asked to enter house number, city, and pin code. All these are members of address structure. For accessing any members of address structure, you have to use object of address structure along with the object of employee structure. The syntax is e dot add dot house number, then e dot r dot city and e dot r dot pin code. So similarly, we accepted all the data entered by the user. Then for displaying the same, you have to use the same syntax. That is, for displaying the employee ID, employee name, and employee salary, you can use the object of employee structure for displaying the same, that is e.id, e.name, and e.salary. Then for displaying the house number, city, and pin code, we have to use the object of address structure along with object of employee structure because the house number, city, and pin code are the members of address structure. So the syntax is e dot house number, e dot city, e dot pin code, like that. This is the end of video tutorial of structure within structure, and also this is the end of video tutorials on structures. Thank you.